So I just finished the crepe, tasting the crepe, and I thought by myself, why not taste the others also? Let me start with this one, the Balisto. Let's see calorie information. It's 97 calories for one. Yeah. Okay. They also have Dutch ingredients, or not Dutch ingredients, but the ingredients shown in Dutch. Okay, whatever. Let's open it. Try it without my mouth this time. It didn't work without my mouth, or at least I used my fingers. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna open this one again. Come on. I like Balistos. Okay. It's okay. On to the next one. Calorie information. A little bit more than the other one. Mr. Chalk. They'll send you an invoice again. No, I don't like this one. I like the Balisto one better. So this one is just nah. Can't even describe it, or I don't wanna. Okay, bye.